These Adenium saplings will be repotted using Cinder medium. The washed river sand has been removed and it is ready for repotting. This is the soil in which it was, river sand. Now we will be shifting them to cinder, rice husk and some amount of neem compost is there. The drain holes are covered with clay balls. It is now filled with cinder. We'll place the plant and then start filling with the new potting mix. Repotting work has been finished and this is how it looks. These are the ingredients or the elements that have been used to create the new potting soil: cinder, rice husk, Epsom salt, seaweed, NPK, organic NPK, horn meal, neem compost. More updates later.